Hello everyone, Das Trucks returned back with a new walk around video. Today we have a 2020 Freightliner M2 106 26-foot box truck with liftgate and ramp, rear wheel drive, regular cab. The engine, it's Cummins B6.7 diesel engine, and the transmission is Allison 2200 RDS automatic. This truck has 210,375 miles. Let's walk around this box truck. We can see it's reconditioned, repainted box and repainted chassis with the anti-rust paint. It's a very nice tire, almost new. Liftgate and ramp, as I said. The liftgate from Maxon, 3000 lap capacity. Also the other side, chassis. You can see how it's look very nice. Also the tires in great condition. Everything is looking great with this box truck. Let me show you the box. The box from inside just look very nice. Also, it's e-trucks, two e-trucks for each side. Let me show you the liftgate. So the liftgate is work perfectly. Now let me show you the driver cabinet. Driver cabinet also it's in very good condition, very nice. Air driver seat and all leather seats. Let's run this vehicle. Everything is working great, no any lights on. Let me show you the engine right now. this is all for this box truck today. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit a like. Thank you for watching. See you next video.